Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going thrifting, which is super fun, and this is going to be for Thriftmas Day 3. I'm really excited. Yesterday I was actually really sick. I went to the mini clinic because I haven't really been feeling so great and I got antibiotics, and today I'm feeling a little bit better, so we're about to go thrifting, and we're actually going to the Salvation Army in Salem, New Hampshire. So they have 50% off every single Wednesday. So today is Wednesday and we're about to go. Today is actually the 4th of December, so I'm a little bit behind, but I was sick yesterday and that is kind of my excuse. I filmed yesterday's video yesterday and I uploaded it earlier today. But yeah, we're gonna get back into the groove of things. So we're gonna go to the Salvation Army. We're gonna do a little bit of thrifting because I haven't gone in so long. I probably haven't gone thrifting in like 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm really excited because today's gonna be 50% off, and who doesn't love a good sale? And I really don't have that much to post on my Poshmark, so I really need to find a few items that I can take photos of maybe later today or tomorrow to get them up, because I haven't been uploading anything the past 2 days because I kind of took like a break from Poshmark because I was working on Thanksgiving and Black Friday. Oh, sorry. Black Friday and the Saturday and Sunday, and then the Monday for the Monday the 1st, December 1st, for what am I trying to say? For Cyber Monday. So yeah, we are going to have a little fun thrifting day today, and I am kind of just really excited because I haven't been thrifting in such a long time, and I'm excited to just like get out of my house and like to breathe like the nice snowy air, and yeah, to get this Thriftmas going. So yeah, let's go thrifting. Okay, so I'm back in my room now. I'm about to show you guys everything that I ended up getting at the thrift store. This is probably going to change into a thrift haul because I clearly didn't show you guys anything at the thrift store, so it's not really a come thrifting with me if you really didn't come thrifting with me. So yeah, sorry about that. It wasn't loud in the thrift store, and I don't know, I kind of felt a little bit awkward, so I was just like, I'm just gonna show everyone what I ended up getting when I get home. I ended up going to one Salvation Army in Salem, New Hampshire. I was going to go to the Savers in Blastown, New Hampshire too, but I really wanted to film this for you guys, and if I went to Savers, I wouldn't have enough sunlight to film this video. Also, I need to go to the post office by 5, so I have to pack sales that need to go out today. We're gonna start out with this Champion, this vintage Champion Crewneck sweatshirt. I have never seen a Champion sweatshirt like this, so I've never seen like the logo like that, and I really like the green and the navy blue color, and it just looks like this with a scrunch on the bottom. I really like the scrunch on the bottom. Like, this is, it's so like comfortable. I actually have a BC sweatshirt that is the same, that looks like this, and this is a Champion too, and I love like the scrunch on the bottom of it, if that makes sense. You can't really see it in the Champion one that I just showed. I just wanted to show you that so you knew what exactly I was talking about with the scrunch, because this color you can't really see the bottom of it, but the tag just looks like this, and this is just what this sweatshirt looks like. I'm like super excited about this. While I was there was actually someone shopping there. I don't think that he was a reseller at first. I thought he was a reseller because I was kind of like peeking at his cart, and I was like, oh no, he definitely got all the good stuff, and I made it to one aisle before him. So I ended up finding this Champion sweatshirt and a sweatshirt that you're about to see, but I was like, oh no, he's definitely a reseller. So A lot of times, sometimes I go there and there's literally absolutely nothing because there's so many resellers. Okay, so the next sweatshirt is this Tommy Hilfiger Crewneck sweatshirt, and it just looks like this. The tag looks like this. This is a vintage sweatshirt. I'm so obsessed with just like the logo right here because I've never seen anything like this before either, and I am just so obsessed. I was gonna keep this for myself, but I ended up posting both of these sweatshirts on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, definitely check my Instagram out. I like to post photos of my outfits, and occasionally I'll post stories when I'm at the thrift store and clothes that I find. It depends on which Instagram I post them on. Sometimes I post them on my main account, and sometimes I post them on my stores account. So definitely go follow both. I will leave the links down below. So I ended up posting these two sweatshirts on my story, and the Tommy Hilfiger one sold right when I posted it. So this one unfortunately is not for sale, but it is still super cute. A lot of my items do sell through Instagram, so sometimes when you see them on my YouTube videos, you might not be able to find them on my Poshmark because they sold through Instagram. Yeah, go check out my Instagrams. But moving on with this haul, we are going to... I picked up a lot of sweatshirts like the one that I have on right now. This is just like a pullover sweatshirt with like a quarter zip. So I ended up finding this gray one. I feel like these are just really nice to wear in the winter with like a white beanie or black beanie, or like with leggings. They're just like super comfortable, and they're so easy to pair outfits with. Ooh, my voice. They're so easy to pair outfits with. So yeah, I picked this one up because I thought the color was really cute. Okay, so next item is this Champion t-shirt. I like to pick these up just to tie-dye bleach them. I like to do the wave on these t-shirts. So yeah, I ended up picking this one up. I picked up two more quarter zip up sweatshirts, and this one's from Nautica. This one's a red one, and it just looks like this. Again, it's really easy just to pair with leggings and jeans, and in the winter it's like you just want to be cozy, so I wanted to pick this one up too. And it was hard today. It was actually really hard because I think the other person who was there that I was talking about earlier, I don't think he was a reseller, but I think he was shopping with his friend, and I think he picked up a lot of the items that I wanted to pick up. So it's times like that. Like sometimes you go to the thrift stores and you find so much stuff, and then sometimes you find like 2 items or like 4 items. And a lot of the times I go into thrift stores and walk out with nothing. It's kind of just luck and also knowing what times to go. The next item is this polo quarter zip up sweatshirt. It's black. I really like this one. This one's really cute. I like the logo right here, and then there's just like a patch right here that says Ralph Lauren. So yeah, that is really all I got today. That is going to be the end of this Thriftmas day 3. Sorry I didn't actually take you thrifting with me. Tomorrow I think I'm going to go to the Salem New Hampshire location, and I'll try on some clothes there. I think I'm going to look for some stuff for my sisters for Christmas, and yeah, I think tomorrow will be a better day for a come thrifting with me, or maybe the next day. We'll see, because I'm not sure when I'm going to be posting tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this little come thrifting with me, like thrift haul video to sell on my Poshmark. And if you guys want to see more of these thrift hauls, definitely like this video so I know that you guys are enjoying them. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's Thriftmas video. Bye!